1. Introduction. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the gig economy and how you can make money as a freelancer or contractor. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time career, the gig economy offers a lot of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the work. 2. What is the gig economy? Before we get into the details of how to make money in the gig economy, let's define what it is. The gig economy refers to a labor market characterized by the prevalence of short-term contracts or freelance work, as opposed to permanent jobs. This can include everything from driving for Uber or Lyft, to designing websites for small businesses, to writing content for online publications. 3. Finding gigs. Now that you understand what the gig economy is, let's talk about how to find gigs. One of the best ways to get started is to sign up for online platforms that connect freelancers with potential clients. Some popular options include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can also search for opportunities on job boards, social media, or by reaching out to businesses or individuals directly. 4. Setting your rates. One of the biggest challenges of working in the gig economy is figuring out how much to charge for your services. The key is to strike a balance between charging enough to make a living, but not so much that you price yourself out of the market. Look at what other freelancers in your field are charging and use that as a starting point. 5. Building a portfolio. To succeed as a freelancer or contractor, it's important to have a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This can include samples of your work, testimonials from clients, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. Make sure to update your portfolio regularly as you take on new gigs. 6. Managing your time. One of the biggest benefits of working in the gig economy is the flexibility it offers. However, this can also be a double-edged sword if you're not careful. It's important to establish a schedule and stick to it, even if you're working from home. This will help you stay productive and avoid burnout. 7. Marketing yourself. In order to stand out in the crowded gig economy, you need to be able to market yourself effectively. This can include creating a personal brand, networking with other freelancers and potential clients, and using social media to promote your services. The more you can differentiate yourself from the competition, the more likely you are to succeed. 8. Diversifying your income streams. Finally, it's important to diversify your income streams as much as possible. Don't rely on just one client or platform for all of your work. Instead, try to build relationships with multiple clients and explore different types of gigs that utilize your skills and experience. That's it for this video on the gig economy. We hope you found these tips helpful as you explore the world of freelance and contract work. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful career in the gig economy, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment if you enjoy the video. See you next time.